You've got this amazing idea for an online business, right? But then the thought of actually building a professional website hits you, and it just feels overwhelming. Look, we've all been there. The online world is incredibly crowded, and making that first impression count, it is absolutely everything. Today, we're going to break down how you can build a digital presence that doesn't just look the part, but actually turns casual visitors into loyal customers.
Let's be real for a minute. You click a link, you land on a website, and something just feels off. You know the look, the designs from a decade ago, the layout's a total mess. Are you seriously going to pull out your credit card and buy something? Yeah, probably not. And that split-second decision, that gut feeling, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Okay, so that gut feeling you get from a sketchy-looking site, that's what we're calling the digital first impression. And here's the thing, in the online world, you rarely get a second chance. What your potential customers see in those first few seconds can literally make or break your entire business.
And this isn't just about websites, you know? It's human psychology. We are hardwired to trust things that look professional and polished. I mean, think about it. Would you take financial advice from someone whose office is a complete disaster? It's the exact same idea online. A clunky, poorly designed website screams, "Don't trust me." And that's a huge red flag for anyone thinking about buying from you.
And if you don't believe me, the numbers here are just, wow. Over 80% of consumers say they will only buy from a website that looks and feels professional and secure. Let that sink in. That means 4 out of every 5 potential customers could be clicking away from your business just because of how it looks online. Your product could be amazing, but it deserves a much better digital storefront than that.
So, a great way to think about it is this. Trust and professionalism are basically your passport to the online marketplace. Without them, you're not even getting past security. It's the absolute minimum requirement, and if you don't have it, your business is pretty much stuck at the border, watching everyone else succeed.
So, the big question is, how do you build that trust? How do you create that all-important credibility from the get-go? Well, it all starts with a rock-solid foundation. You don't just need a website, you need a complete, integrated system for your online business.
And that's where an all-in-one platform comes in. Now, this is so much more than just a simple website. Think of it as a complete ecosystem for your business, but with modern tech. The key here is that it's designed to be totally customizable, so it can perfectly match your brand. And, this is crucial, it gives you total control over everything from day one.
All right, so what's actually under the hood of a platform like this? Let's pull back the curtain for a second and take a look at the tools that are designed to set you up for success. And it really helps to look at this from 2 different angles.
First, there's the beautiful, seamless experience that your customers get to see and interact with. And then, there's the powerful behind-the-scenes control panel where you, the administrator, get to run the whole show. Let's break down what's in both.
So for your customers, it's all about making their journey smooth and professional. They get a simple user registration page, an informative homepage, and they can browse all your stuff in an online market. But it goes deeper. They also get a personal client area to manage their account and even an interactive forum. This is huge because it helps build a real community around your brand. And that's how you get people coming back again and again.
And then for you, the business owner, this is your command center. You can literally customize every single part of your site, manage all your products and media, and get these incredibly valuable insights from financial and client reports. You can even chat directly with customers through a support system. On top of all that, you get international payment gateways like Stripe and even USDT, which is a type of cryptocurrency, so you can take payments from pretty much anywhere in the world.
But hold on, here's a feature that is a total game changer. A built-in blog that's powered by AI. You literally just give it a theme, and it automatically generates entire articles for you. I mean, just think about that. This is an absolutely incredible tool for creating content and boosting your SEO, and it's going to save you hundreds of hours of work.
Okay, so having a great platform is one thing. But what about all those technical headaches that usually come with starting an online business? A really good all-in-one solution should handle all of that for you, so you can actually focus on what you're good at, running your business.
And honestly, this is how simple it can be. All those technical hurdles, they just disappear. A lot of these platforms come with free installation and customization to get your brand looking just right. Many will throw in a free domain name for the first year, and this is a really big one. Some even include free hosting forever. This means the biggest startup costs and frustrations can be completely wiped off the board.
So let's tie all of this together. What does this really mean for you and your entrepreneurial journey? Well, it's about finally taking that brilliant idea of yours and giving it the professional home it truly deserves so you can start making a real impact.
And believe me, the impact is real. A professional-looking website can boost your business negotiations by up to 80%. Now, why is that? It's simple. When you look credible, people take you seriously. It opens up doors to partnerships, investors, and high-value customers that might have been completely closed to you otherwise.
So here's the bottom line. We're moving way beyond just selling a product online. We're talking about building a solid, reliable, and trustworthy digital brand. And that's the difference between having a little side hustle and building a truly sustainable online career.
So as we wrap things up here, I just want to leave you with this one thought. You've got the idea, you've got the passion, and now you know that the tools and the technology are right there waiting to help you bring that vision to life. So the only real question left is your idea ready to become the successful digital brand it was meant to be?